Today I'm going to have a diversion of protocol. Protocol is social conventions which is accepted in the world over. Accepted behavior which is expected. And so I'm going to have a diversion from my videos which you have been used to. Now today, I want to talk about certain behavior which is expected of you. And so I'm going to talk about rules for life applying to ladies and gentlemen. Now, one, always pay attention to whom you are talking to. Pay attention. When somebody is talking to you, please listen to that person. And secondly, when you are listening, never interrupt a person. Third, never attempt to prove your point, to put somebody down by raising your voice or any other insolent behavior. Don't shout anybody down. Never try to prove your point. When you get somebody trying to get shouting matches, give the person, either walk away or listen to the person without contributing. Then another point, never talk about your business or yourself unless somebody asks you to talk about it, and immediately you talk about it without getting to the details, get them back to the conversation which they were talking to. Never disclose much about your business. Don't disclose how much you earn. Don't disclose the sources of your income. Don't disclose your strength. Don't disclose your business place or even you as a person. Never. Another point is never eavesdrop purposely or not. Eavesdropping, never when people are having a conversation, never try to listen to them without them even knowing or writing yourself somewhere. That is what I'm calling eavesdropping. When people are having a conversation, please stay a distance. Never stand when people are talking. That is bad manners. Another point, never slander another person. Never go around talking bad about people. Never go talking negative things. You can talk about them, but talk positively. How good they are, how they are good mannered, how they have got a good heart. Please, you can say that. But negative attributes, please, I would encourage you in the world of social conventions, please don't slander people. Then when it comes to the conversation, always be brief to the point. Don't be giving people stories. People don't want stories. Please be brief and speak to the point. If you have been asked a question, answer briefly. Don't tell people stories. People have got no time. People don't have the luxury of time to listen to your stories. Never. Then another point is have strong beliefs. You have got beliefs, have values in life, but please never try to force them to other people. Maintain them, but don't force them to other people. Another point is never compare other people, and especially your friends. Don't compare them. They are just different, and you have to accept them. Another point is never correct another's speech. That is trying to manifest superiority complex. Never try to correct somebody. Even after giving a speech, don't jump up and say you don't agree. This speech was useless. This speech is not intelligent speech. Please don't do that. It's not. And then when also having conversation, never repeat or never use scientific terms or use jargons or argot during conversation, because you are going to keep people off and they may not understand what you are talking about, and it's going to affect their esteem, because it's just you are showing you are superior in terms of articulation and in terms of understanding even the world of science. So please be very, very careful the terms. Another point is never repeat a secret. If somebody has told you a secret, please make sure you don't repeat a secret. Then another point is never try to impress people with telling them about the places you have visited. Don't tell them, this reminded me of the place when I was in India, when I was in Japan, when I was in Paris, when I was in Geneva, when I was in Rome. This is what people are. This is the type of food which I enjoyed. Please don't repeat, don't tell people, don't try to impress people about the places you have visited. And then finally, avoid any gossip. It's repulsive in a woman and also ignoble in a man. Please, I'm hoping that these rules for life, they are going to help you if you stick to them, and you are going to avoid embarrassment, especially in social and public arena. Thank you very much. It's your family therapist, Mutea Rukwaro. Thank you.